Hey everybody, so today I'm making a resin lamp, and this can also be used as a trinket tray or ashtray or just for home decor. So I'm starting out with some white HTV pigment paste mixed with resin, and I've added some crushed glass in there. And I'm just pouring it into the mountaintops there. Now I'm adding in some fairy lights, which was a little bit of a messy project, but I got them in there. And now I'm just using some river pebbles to weigh them down a little bit so that they will cure inside of the mountaintops. It's the next day, and now I am just pouring in some clear resin. I cut out a little silicone square the size of my light switch so that that can sit in there after.
I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today. Stand up and throw down your guns. The new generation run when we tell you to run. Let's start a revolution. We fight, we fight. Let's start a revolution. I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today. Let's start a revolution. Let's start a revolution.
And now I'm putting in some alcohol ink, which was Picasso sapphire color, and some more clear.
I wanna know you, I wanna show you, and I wanna give you everything you wanted, and I wanna see you, don't wanna leave you. I just wanna give you everything you dream, but hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Okay, it's time to demold my resin light. So I've got this, which I had put a piece of silicone rubber in, and I just want to see how that's going to work. Yeah, it fits perfectly in there. So to turn it on, all we have to do, it flashes or it goes solid, but it'll stay in there. Maybe I'm gonna get something to hold it in a little bit better, but there you go. So let's go ahead and demold it while it's lit. Okay, I put some rocks around here. I just wanted to give it a little extra reinforcement. And oh, I got an extra rock there. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, that one's loose. done. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, okay. I like it. Look at that. So you have the mountains with the crushed glass in there and the white. It looks like snow. And then we have the brown for the dirt around the mountain. And then we have our little lake, which is totally blue glitter, beautiful. And now I have my static grass, so I'm starting out just putting some Elmer's glue around the tops of the mountains. And I'm just placing a little bit of that static grass on top to give it the appearance of snow. That's my hope, at least. Now some more glue around the base. Using a paintbrush to put it on there, and then I have some green static grass that I am putting around the base, right above the rock formation. Now I'm adding some more clear. It's actually days later now. So yeah, I'm just trying to seal in that static grass. I'm putting a little bit of turquoise alcohol ink in the center where the water is. And here is the final lamp, and I think it came out great, and I hope you do too. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, then please like and subscribe down below. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Bye!